Hello everyone. I just checking the last voice settings and
Merhabalar, ben Soner Gönül. Öncelikle Twitch kanalıma hoş
oops,
geldiniz.
what is that?
Bu kanalda genellikle programlama...
No, that's not the case. Okay, and my music and my sounds seems enough, I think. Let me increase a little bit music maybe. Maybe it's not too much. Okay, let's check back to from the browser. It's 720 pixels with 60 frames per second. Okay, that seems enough, I think. Yep, we are on live streams. That's nice. Okay, everything seems fine right now. Nibbleboys, hello, welcome. I just checking the last settings for the stream. So I hope my voice and this the music is not too much. What is the resolution? It is 720 L with 60 frames per second. Okay, that seems nice. We can't stream in 1080 pixel, what 750 per 20 pixel seems also enough. That's okay. Okay, I just completed all my settings in a minute, probably. Okay, everything seems right, at least in my opinion. So yep, stream elements also. Our Discord, yes, in Discord also there's an announcement about the stream is started. That's nice. Okay, everything seems right so far. So let's start the private clash then. And we select all the mods and let's start a new one. I just copied the link and pasted to chat, so you can still join with that link. Not a lot of people seems online. Oops, Devote is online. Maybe he will join after it. Okay, the Java joined. Okay, let me invite you out also. Maybe, I mean, I don't think, but maybe he will join. Q64, welcome. Okay, looks like about have other things, something to do. That's fine. Okay, tonight's first clash we have a 3 players. In a string S, replace each character, including non-alphanumeric, with an integer representing how many times it has appeared so far in the string. Case insensitive. Okay. Hmm. I make him lower since it doesn't matter. I mean, it's not a case sensitive at all. So, if things okay. Prometheus, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Okay, that means if not, also right. Okay, let me try this one. Oops. Johnny the Ranked, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Because I don't need this one. Since I already increasing here. No. Doximus Prime, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Alright, is this one? What am I missing here? No, I should wait a second. I should increase like that, not like this one. Oops, finally I think, yeah. This I should write it so far, so I have to write sure, Doximus Prime, I always paste it to chat, stream chat, when I create a private clash, so people can join from that link as well. I mean, since it is all the players has already sold, that's nice. Let's create a new one, and let's start a private clash, and let's start a new one. And I just copy the link and paste it to chat, so you can still join with in the chat with the link in the chat if you want. Nalaf joined. Jonathan Rees joined. Okay, now we are 4 people. We are 5 people. Zeponer was also joined. Okay, for this one I think we are 5 people right now. Yeah. Oops, 6 people. King Doxic, welcome. CSGO as also joined. Your program must display every other line of the given text, every other line. First, your program must display the odd lines, and in a second time, the even lines. Okay, then. So since it is the shortest, I know I can do anything better with C sharp. That's the even items. That's for the even items. Then I create the same ones. So let's play all test cases. Okay, now let's try to make it short as possible. Can I write it to the shortest? But like one, only you have to plus s. I don't need these arguments here. Yeah, it is the shortest, Razin. But in C sharp, I don't have too much choice. Are new lines counting as a character in shortest mode, by the way? Or I have to write in this. I didn't even delete the command lines. Oh, it doesn't. That means it doesn't count new lines, right? It counts space also, yeah, counts everything. Oh, okay. So, I should write, one line for all of them then. Okay, that seems bad. Okay, let me even I can do that. Probably it takes a lot of characters. Okay, let's try this one now. Delete this. Okay, let's make it this one as a one line also. Okay, then I should yeah, this is the worst side of the using C# in a short mode probably. Okay, let's play all test cases again to see if it still works or not. Read 4K, thanks for the follow, welcome to stream. Okay, I think I can't shorter than this one, right? Since I need Ocamster, thanks for the follow, welcome to stream. Spaces inside for each. Really? But I mean, I need that. I need these. Oh, I don't need these ones, of course. And I don't need these ones. Barış, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Okay. Maybe I need to delete these also. So I can't delete this one since they have to, I think they have to space separated as a for each syntax. How can I make it shorter? Is there anyone? Is there anything? I think I don't need these ones also. And I don't think these ones. Yeah, I don't need this one also. Yeah, I think this is the shortest way I can write. The famous 352 characters line. Yeah, I mean, what size is 343? I mean, I can do this shortest this one, right? I mean, all the things are shortest as possible based on C# syntax. Int parse, there's a space? What? Where is it? Oh, these ones. Oh, okay. Oh, these ones are also assignments, near side by assignment. Okay, let's start again. I have to separate in for each syntax. Okay, this is the first for each syntax also. I have to separate between type and the variable name. I have to separate here. And I think, yeah, this is the shortest. Probably. Okay then, so I can submit my submission since I don't have any way to, yeah, it's the 8th result. We are still solving 92 characters in Python. It is quite fun. Difficulties, perfect statements, and test cases are ideal. 100% with 100 characters. Yeah, you win it definitely. Proof feet up. Thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. App Jonathan, King Doxic, Nolef has also sold 100%. Okay, only CSGO is still clashing. Yeah, C#, I mean, I don't have any chances about like languages like Python or JavaScript or probably Kotlin. Team only, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Yeah, I don't have any chance to, I mean, JavaScript, TypeScript, Python, Kotlin. No chance. I mean, with C#, possibly. There's no way to win any, probably, any Clash of Code shorts mod. I will complete in C# too, so you're not alone. Okay. Oops, I missed you. Where? I don't see any. But CSGO is still clashing, so let's fade him. I mean, it only takes 2 minutes. Maybe CSGO is also trying to make it shortest possible. We'll join the next game though. Okay. I will probably complete this one in possibly the last result. Oh, that's nice. That's very nice syntax. Starting with 0 probably takes every 2 in this index strings. So that means starting with 1 also it takes increase it with 2. Oh, you will do the C# next time. Okay. Okay, last 30 seconds. Jonathan solved this in TypeScript. Push to even array and push to odd array. Yep. Okay, looks like CSGO doesn't even clash. I mean, maybe let's complete. Yeah, he probably doesn't even clash. Okay, let's back to home and let's start private clash. Let's start a new one. I just copy the link and paste it to chat, so you can still join with the link in the chat. Okay, we are now 12 people. Link, sure, I pasted the chat. Darpongs, you're welcome. Whoa, we are now 15 people, wow. Architector, welcome. The first time I see you, I think. Asparagus, Ingoxic, Arzugar, and Peter Tan, Warte, welcome all. Starpunks, what a nice profile picture, by the way. Your first year at wizarding school, and you decided to try it out for the cookie team. They don't normally accept the first years, but you are really good at finding the golden snitch. To be so good, you need an algorithm to find it among all the other balls in play in a grid. The game has one raffle, 2 blackbirds, and 1 golden snitch. This school is really concerned with style, so the character that represents the snitch and the blackbirds and the background change every time, but waffle is always a capital Q. Line, an integer s determines size of the grid. Okay, there is a line. The coordinates of xy of the golden snitch. Grid start 101. What does it mean of golden snitch here? Okay, let me check my input then. BS. There's one. Oh, okay. Here, what is this comma? I think. Okay. So that means that character appears only once for all the strings, but there's also might be another character which is Q. Since it's written here, there is a 1 quaffle, 2 blackbirds, and 1 golden snitch. Okay then. This is the fastest one. Um, oh, I also need their indexes. I didn't consider this. Oops, I totally forget that. Because output I need to write a column and row number. Yes, let's calculate like this. Is here and E. If it already contains, then I should do nothing. So I also create like this. If it doesn't contain key, I write its as the character and index of the, and yeah. I mean, when I try to write this, also that right line. That doesn't count for this ones as well. Okay, what am I missing here? I mean, how to... But I need to also have to count for all the characters. As a argument, and I have to write the first row index and the column index as a first item, then I write the count as a second item, and I need to order the count for ascending to ascending. I need to order in ascending. After that, take the first one, which is the smallest number of in that dictionary, except for equal, except for Q character here. Yeah, I could probably solve this in time with that. I mean, why couldn't I think for that? Because I need to also count that character occurrence for all the strings as an input, and then as a software developer, do you think Clash should be easy if you're a programmer? No, I mean, these Clash of Codes parts are, I think, quite nice. I mean, they are not that hard, they are not that easy also, but I mean, they are good to practice as always. So some of them are hard to see the solution. For example, some reverse mode questions. I mean, some of them are really hard to see what is the correlation between input and outputs, but some of them are really easy. For example, sometimes they just ask you the square of the number. Yeah, I probably couldn't solve this in time. Not in B and Q. Oh, there's a... Oh, not... You can say not there's a B and Q. This count is 1 also, and... not in B and Q. Okay, I didn't think of that. You solved in last 5 seconds? Really? Oh, that's nice. Okay, I mean, this is the one of the best approach, I think, since it counts to that character while the iteration of the string, and that string should not be Q and B here, and print that character's index, which is I and J. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, let's create a new one then. Let's start a private clash, and let's start. I just copy the link and paste it to chat, so you can still join with that link in the chat. Okay, we are now 10 people. Ogre, welcome. Paris, Mustafa, welcome. Lesty, welcome. First time you see there. There is a random named character also. Oops, another short spot. In the spirit of the particles and antiparticles, let's define characters and anti-characters as lowercase and uppercase characters respectively. As we all know, particles meaning antiparticles annihilate each other and produce energy. The string and anti-character annihilate a character if they are adjacent and in the process release 1 unit of energy. Okay. Okay, given a string of characters, 8 characters until a stable string is reached and record the energy is released. A stable string is a string where there no annihilation can occur. Okay. So what is the between small? Oh no, I don't need to look because it's 97 for small lowercase a and 65 is the difference 32. Yeah. For each less than no length. If a second. Remove start index. A new string with all the characters in the current instance. I'm going to continue to the last position. There's a 1 overload. What is other overload? Start index and count. Okay, that seems nice. So 32. So that means remove E1. But just up returns. When I remove that character, my new string is also removed with this same index as well, because if I remove that character, it shifts the left, and my new E plus 1 will be my new E. Okay, so and plus plus. Let's try this one. Maybe it will work. I don't think this work. Probably gives some error, but Feraz Mustafa, welcome to stream. Thanks for the follow. So, is this work or not? Let's play all test cases. Oops. Okay. Wait a second. Let's try it. What am I doing wrong here? And I iterate all the characters, and when consecutive characters between is 32, because 65 plus 32, which is 97. Okay, so why this doesn't work for other tests? Oh, it tests for this one. So this should be right, I think, but it writes what is right. Start with DB. Why? It removes that one, and also after that it removes that one. So my new string should be that. Oh, it is. Oh, my new I also should be I is I minus 2. No, because it shouldn't be started first one then. Oh, it shouldn't increase the. Wait a second. Minus. Let's try this one. Yeah, exactly, because I should decrease the counter since I removed that starting and so my new okay, let's try this one. Wait a second, there's no has to be this consecutive. Oh, I thought. Oh, you don't have. Oh, the characters don't have to be the consecutive characters in here because in this example, for example, lowercase a and uppercase a are near from each other, but that there's no has to be. Oh. Oh, I totally missed that. Oh, this test in test case 3 there is no even consecutive characters that annihilate is in each other. Why would I think like that? That sucks. I mean, is this the shortest mode? Okay, let's at least try our best. There's a link usage? No. Let's count the. Oops. Let's try to write as short as possible again. I don't miss these arguments. Let's try to war. Oops. Not delete this one. Another 40 seconds. Oops, my time is almost. So I think that should work. Play this one. Oh. I can submit it right now. Yeah, 50%. I mean, it's not. I thought when some, for example, lowercase and uppercase should be the consecutive characters to annihilate to each other. But the question is probably different than that. Arzugar, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. I don't get mine. Python was throwing errors over the place. Okay, for example, Alex solved this without any error, looks like. Dobby Gamer, thanks for follow. Welcome to stream. I tried to construct a regex to do it, but I didn't have time. Oh, okay. Upcase pop I e plus plus and with iterate the next characters every time. Since probably these are not immutable types. Oh, okay. What language are you using, guys? I see I use C++. I mean, I use C# for clashing code. So, okay, let's try the new white knot. Start private clash, let's start. And I just copy the link and paste it to chat, so you can still join the link from the chat if you want. I mean, I see a lot of people using Python, Ruby specifically, and JavaScript maybe. Nurda, welcome. Matthew, welcome. Androlamus, welcome. Here we are now, 11 people. Alex has also joined. Another short one. Determine if there is a right angle in the triangle. One letter and two integers. Name the extending coordinates. Name the vertex where there is a right angle. If the triangle is not right, then print. What's the meaning of right angle? What does that mean? Oh, okay. Now I get it. Oh, it's giving the coordinates. The name of the word. Okay. One more. -1 1. Oh. Link please. Paranoid Androided. Thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Okay, let me paste the link again. I passed it to chat. You can join with that. If there is a formula between this, I mean, there should be a formula for that, but I don't remember exactly. I'm sure there is a formula between two vectors to calculate the between angle of the two vectors, but is there any easy way to do it? Do I remember the formula? Probably don't. I don't remember, honestly. So, Should we calculate all the coordinates difference between as a vector length for all of them? I think you need to calculate OB, then check the condition of right angle. Yeah, I mean that's the first thing I think, but okay, let's create it. And why? So at that power, but even if I can try to write this, I probably couldn't solve in time. Plus two, and okay, I should calculate the second and third. No, and okay, this is the second and third one. I was writing the codes, it automatically submitted. Yeah, sometimes people try to play all test cases but accidentally clicked submit. So I calculate all the differences between the factors. So there should be a double. Sort maybe. This was weight. Yes. It was weight. It's sorted right now. So if this equal 0 plus list 1 multiple list 1. Else write, what should I write here? Underscore. Okay. So how can I find the maybe I would also need to keep all the lengths between. No, I shouldn't write that. If sort is but this sort should be ascending order, so from smaller to bigger. So this is the biggest number. I don't know how it is the I mean, I don't know. So I can submit maybe pass a few test cases. I don't think, but oh, it passed one test case. Oh, that's nice. Zorxy is also solved in Ruby. Architecture is also solved in C. Let's check it out. Alex, 83%. You know, he's solved in C. Wow. Okay, let's check its Ruby code. It takes all the test case, all the coordinates as a map. Okay. Where to find which is square of that number, sum of squares, sum of the squares of two other elements, which is the C is the longest vector in that triangle. Find, yeah, and if it is not, it doesn't have any result here, print underscore. It is with R. Why there is one in here? I knew how to do it, Lamo, just run out of time. Yeah, time is quite important in there. Maybe a chat pool to remove the shortest. I mean, okay, let's not take the shortest one then from this case. Okay, let's private clash. Let's uncheck the shortest mode then. Let's start a new one. I just copy the link, paste it to chat, so you can still join with that link. Short. Okay, maybe the next one I will. Oh, look, I never create a pool here. So how to create a pool? Let's check. Let me check. Okay, let's check how to create pool. Oh, we are all 15 people. Look here. This is the first time I see you. Welcome. Ape, welcome. Okay, there is, I think, as far as I can see, there is no creating a pool with command line. Curtis Switch, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Some people submit a code of 0 characters in shorts mode. Oh, Alex, Mr. Norda, Zorxy, Asparix also joined. 19 people. Oh my goodness. I like reverse mode best. Silver chance goes to the end of the ranking. First is the minimum. Okay, I still have to create a pool here. What's creating pools? In dashboards, create a new pool button. So send me please. Sure, I passed to the chat again. Okay, I'm just checking how to create pools easily. Where is the pools? In dashboard. Oh, there's a button I should add, I think. Manage your pools, exactly. Let's edit this one. Manage pools. Create a new pool. Okay, wow, a lot of people already solved. I'm just checking the okay, next mode. How can should I write all the, let's check all, and it is 3:30 AM here, but I can't fall asleep. Oh, okay. I don't think it's good, but I hope you sleep as soon as possible. Reverse plus fastest. Only shortest. Only reverse. Only fast. Okay, allow additional votes also. 10 bits per vote and 200 bits channel per vote. Okay, duration 1 minute. I start a pool, by the way. You can vote for the next mode and for the next question. What should what mod we should play for the next question. You have 1 minute. There is a poll right now and you can still vote it for the next question. What mod we should play? Okay, given two numbers a and b, return the number of the squares between a and b inclusive. A and b, 3 squares. Okay, then okay, the pool is ended. Oops. This is the most only shortest 5. Really? I mean, how many people voted this? Okay, 3 people only reverse. Oh, only shortest. There's a 5 vote in here. Only reverse 3. And the Flash Coder, welcome to stream. Thanks for the follow. Reverse plus fastest. Okay, next one is the only shortest then. That will be bad, but since a lot of people. Okay, let's do the shortest mod for the next one, and for the next one we will do only reverse. Okay, so I should read again. Belgium, by the way, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Yeah, reverse good. I like reverse also. Shortest most fun. Okay. But we voted, I mean, just solve the problem with 21 characters. Okay. It's always, second one is always bigger. I should check him. Round at RT E floor, I think. Minus at round square a plus 1. Does this work? Let's play all test cases. Nope. Oops, because I read completely. Let's play all test cases. What? Short is just for Python and Ruby. Everyone knows Python? I don't think so. Please, I want it reverse next time because I'm C++ and C++ not for the good shortest one. Yeah, I got 66. I had this got in my notes. What is going on here? Inclusive. So this return 5 and this return yeah, I think that was okay. That's nice. So I can submit it. Oh, a lot of people solved it already. Am I the only one? Oh, not. A lot of people solved it already. Sarpongs. Oh, Mr. Papaya, welcome. Oh my goodness. I mean, you probably already know Mr. Papaya. He is one of the top Flash of coders. I mean, he's in top 5, right? I think, if I remember correctly, he's in top 5. Yeah, it should be type 5. Leaderboards, Flash of code. Oh, he's in the 6th place. Okay, that's nice. Why my score 83%? Let's check him. Maybe you have to maybe you might be not to calculate the inclusive rounds. I don't know. In range max maybe. If minimum maybe more or less than plus. Oh, maybe you click submit early. I mean, it seems okay so far. Yeah, your code seems okay. I don't know why it doesn't pass. Maybe you need the +1 in range. Oh, since in range, so for that case it doesn't take the maximum number, right? Yeah, exactly. Yeah. He needs to calculate the next one also. It's range A, B +1. Oh, okay. Okay. Whereas Mustafa is 66%. Count squares. Count. Just a genius. This seems correct, but I don't know why. Maybe the sum of the big numbers. This might just an overflow for an integer, so it's passed somewhat different. Maybe this one returns somehow different for an overflow. It's probably time limit execute, yeah, for the big numbers, for example. It might be. Okay, let's check quiz code, patience code. Patience, where is patience? Here. In Python. Yeah, we think the same as patience. I mean, I did exactly what he or she did here. Exactly the same code by me. I mean, for the C# version, of course. Take this one, yeah. This is the same code. Okay then. So let's create a new one. Let's start a private clash. You said this is only the shortest mode you want, so here you go. Don't worry, I will create another pool for the next one as well. Let's start a new private clash. I just copy the link and paste it to chat. So you can still join with that link if you want, and I will create another pool here. Create a new pool. Question mode. All only reverse, only fastest, and only shortest, and what is the other? Last response, fastest plus reverse. Legendary Stone, thanks for follow, welcome to stream. Okay, 1 minute, no, it's written in 2 minutes, by the way. Next question, mode, and I will send to chat. I started the pool, so you can vote here. Can I get a link? Sure. I mean, I passed it to chat. Oop, AKK. Legendary Stone, I passed it to chat. Ah, okay, you see, that's nice. Okay, you guys can vote in the pool. So, what should we do next mode? You have 2 minutes left. It's probably 1 minute left right now. Oh my goodness, 23 people clashing here. It is the shortest mode. Given a list of n words in alphabetic order, find out which one can be written vertically using the first letter of every other one. Then output as explained below. If there is more than one solution, favor alphabetic order. Oh my goodness. There's still 10 votes for only shortest, really? I mean, you guys really like shortest mode, huh? But some of the people doesn't even like it. For each letter of the vertical words, okay. No, that's not the case. Ins contributed 600 channel points. Okay, who is the winner? Only the shortest. Really? Next time? Okay then. But I mean, for the next time, I mean, after this one and after that one, also we only do reverse modes. I mean, people still like the reverse modes also. The democracy thing doesn't seem to be working. Alice, welcome. Oh. I missed the pool. I missed the pool. I could have used my 5k points. Okay, no worry. I mean, we will do reverse also. I really solved this before. What? Go on, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. I mean, this question is asked about if there is a string where the given list string, the only letters starts with the first letters of each string contains all the characters in one of them. So, for example, this string, all the characters in that string, which is a list, which is the first character of the other strings in that list. Let me check first all the characters in that list. Where in Concat, oops, this one, yeah. Okay, I will calculate all the here. Okay. are for each in the so if first all s contains result is s, which is my target string. I think. Okay, my result is my target upcoder. Yeah, I mean 33 viewers right now. We saw 50, by the way, I mean a few days ago. Saw 50 viewers. So I find the but how can I write all of them? Okay. I find the result here. That for each part in results. Also that line. So what should I write here? Which is for each one the letter in the uppercase to upper that character. And from that list, starting with the first character of the except for itself. Except for itself. So I'm really glad to see your stream doing so well. Yeah, I mean, thank you so much, man. I will appreciate that. Thanks for the CodinGame, by the way. I mean, if they want, if they didn't create such a feature for the streamers on the web page, my viewers count probably won't go higher than 15 or 20. So that's the biggest part of the here probably have a CodinGame features. So in that list where s is not equal to result itself, and I also string cat. No, I should write here cat since there is a string. Ainstar, welcome, topcoder. Which is the and not the self, and s starts with that string starts with that character is but the uppercase of yeah, I should filter with that way, and the first. What? Oops, I write another one. Yeah, I mean 3 minutes. If this won't work, I probably couldn't even solve this. Maybe CodinGame could add a tournament mode for a clash, like solve 5 reverse problems. That will be too long, I guess. Yeah, I mean, not a bad idea, I think. Let's play all test cases like that. Oops. Nothing, found nothing, really. Where that string doesn't itself. Okay. And starts with the other string starts with uppercase of that character. And take the first. Maybe I shouldn't even write this. Let's delete this condition. It doesn't even write either. AKK, have a good night. But an actual 1 versus 1 tournament structure will be really cool. True marathon sounds better than tournament. Yeah, I mean, why not? Maybe we can create a challenge or something like that. I don't know why that didn't work. This I added all the strings in that list, so I take all the first characters and I find my target string that contains all that first characters in the list, and for every character in that list, for every character in that string, I write the uppercase itself, then filtering with that in that list starts with that character, but it didn't even write anything. That sucks. I have a feeling Zorsey gonna crash me on this one. Okay. Oh my goodness, there are a lot of people clashing right now. 23 people, I think, yeah. 23 people clashing right now. Yep. Alice sold in 150 characters here. Okay, since it is shortest mode, I probably couldn't even read. Mr. Papaya is already sold in Python. Oh my god, I just realized why my code isn't working. Okay, back to home then. Did we create a pool for the next question? I forgot to check for casing. Yeah, I mean, you have to check for the all input characters for casing. Oh yeah, it was the shorts. Yeah, you're right. You're right. Then after that, we create a only reverse mode a few times maybe. Okay, I pasted to chat. You can still join with that link if you want. Typecoder, because Python is quite good language for such a competitive questions. Yes, I will mess with my points, yeah. You're right, you're right. Teamed, welcome. Lopier, welcome. Rin, welcome. This is the first time I saw here. No, I said no. We created a pool for the current one. Then the next one will be reverse. You said. Proof feet up. Thanks for joining us tonight. Have a good night. No, I mean, don't worry. We will in reverse as well. Okay, 20 people already joined. Yes, no, shortest won the last pool, yeah. I mean, the next one will be in reverse. Okay, that's an easy. The Roman numbers to Arabic numerals. I think that's an easy question to solve. With the dictionary. I mean, I try my best, but can't char as an int. So I mean, how many times we have to use it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what are these? 5, 5, 10, 50, 500. It's 500 and it's 1000. Right? Yeah, 1000. Create a dictionary here. Don't add separate. I mean, it's both language, top code writing, both languages have an advantages or disadvantages each other. So I created results here. Create a results integer. Okay, is 0. And for every character in the Roman, let's say, array, less than length. So Oktay, welcome. Yeah, I mean, Manbook, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. I mean, why? Oh, it's already. There's a Roman. Oh. Let's call this S. So, E plus is right of length, because I always calculate the next character for special cases like this one, 4, 9, 40, 90, 400 and 900. These are the special cases for converting from Roman numerals and to Arabic numerals. If the value of that character is smaller than the next one, that means we have to extract the smallest one. That means, okay, the array E is bigger than array E plus 1. No, not bigger than, smaller than, because that's to create a case here. So I should extract that because, as you know, from Roman numerals always starts with the biggest values goes to the smallest value. But in that means the first that character is smaller than the other character, the next character, that means there is a exception case like these ones. So how to extract? Which one to extract? Current one, of course. I should extract this one. If not, that means it goes as a normal way, so I should add that value. At the end, after this iterate all the loops and console.write line, I should write my s, which is the result. Okay, let's play this one. Nice, it passed all the test cases. So let's make this code short as possible. Delete once. I also delete these spaces, which doesn't need it. Oops. Yeah, I don't need that space as well. Hector Reviews, welcome. Now I should delete all the spaces here. I hope this code still works after delete all the unnecessary things. Okay. I think delete all the spaces that used by the code. Let's check it. Yeah. Let's check the second line. Yes. Let's check the third line. Yes. And let's check the fourth line. Oops, there's an unnecessary space here. Yeah, I mean, I hope this works as a one line also. This is the best I can do in C#. Let's play all test cases again. That's nice. Okay, so I can submit my question. My solution, not my question. Which is 323 character. I mean, not bad, I think, for a C# solution, of course. Yep, next one will be reverse. CO solid Python with 96 characters. It's fun, difficulty, it's perfect, statements and test case relevancy ideal. Oops, yeah, my level goes down as people submit it. Just did PHP for fun because trying to figure out which language is able to do this sort of. Yep, I'm goes down as a C# submission. Only 1 minute left, by the way. Okay, COs, Alice, Team Tag, Zorxi, Kuzey, Nurda, Asparagus, Ogre, Lapierre, Patience, Belgium has already solved as a 100%. Chuckin Ellen, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Okay. Yeah, CO solved in Python with 96 characters. Yeah. Didn't even know this was a thing. Okay, that's nice. I mean, I'm in the 10th place with C#. I think this is a good solution. This is a good solution also. Okay, there are a lot of Python solvers here. Okay, that's nice. Let's back to home, start private clash, and this is the reverse one as you want. Just copy the link and paste it to chat. Does the complexity of a problem go up based on the average ranking in the groups? Because if I play solo, I get way easier problems. Probably, yeah. I mean, I see that a few times in my stream as well. I mean, some problems will be easy if we solve in a private clash, for example, 2 or 3 people. Yeah, it tries to show everyone a puzzle they haven't seen before, so that's the logical answer, I think. Okay, we are now 15 people. Okay, we are now 16 people. Nestor, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Yeah, I don't think so. Alice, I agree with you. I mean, I guess you can kind of see what's happening, but it's really hard if you don't know what's going on. I understand the question, but hard to say that I have a pattern to solve. I mean, I have to take all the string in a list. Alice already solved this. But what? So I have to check every string in that list and the consecutive strings of scores and check the C for the first one starting for the first string starts from and for the second string starting from 0 indexed character, and how many characters in common to check them. But the characters might be the case insensitive here, and if it is not, take the upper ones or take the second one. For example, this one, the bets are the 3 characters are common. So take the second 3 character and combine them. Okay, can I try this one? Last is all just plus 1 first, and there is at least 1 character common. Let's check here result. So I should check how many characters are common here. So how to check how many characters are common? Zero and is I dot length -1. Current if while list I and equal list I plus 1 parts. So this while loops to while the end of the first string and the start of the second string is equal. But this is case instance for over current plus equal start with start to end. I should add the and after when I leave here, I should add my results to reverse of that string. Reverse. So after every iteration, and minus minus and plus plus. At here, there is no common characters. Results plus equal the white space. Then after iteration, all these characters, it's here, yeah, I should console.writeLine my results string. Okay, let's try this one. Of course it didn't work. Index but also range 28. Does this list count -1? Really? I mean, list I at last, list I plus 1 is first. For the lower, as they are case insensitive. Yeah, let's try this one. Oops, what did I wrong here? Equal the last character of the first string and the first character in the second string. So let's start count. For is e and is e plus 1 start. Okay. Turn plus and minus minus. So if I result get that reversed. Okay. I think this should work, but I don't understand why code didn't work, honestly. It seems logical for all the test cases, but I don't know. Let's submit it. Looks like I made a small mistake, like I couldn't see it properly. Yeah, Ali solved it in 3 minutes. Theos also solved this. There is a zip in math package, I think. If B lower starts with E lower, last character, then print that one. Yeah, I mean it was quite hard, I think. Ooh, I'm in top top 3. I had a solution, but my solution only worked the last letter of the words. Else, if it's not character, and a white space and B. What does flush do here? But I'm not sure. That's nice, and there are 80 to 85%. Theos, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Oh, flush wasn't necessary. Oh, okay. I mean, maybe I think that it will do something different with that zip method. When I play solo, I get questions like sum of the ASCII values of sentence. When I play with good people, I get these questions. Yeah, I mean. Okay, what should we play right now? Let's, I create a pool here. Let's manage a pool. A new pool. And next question, mod. What should be the next question, mod? So all and reverse only, shortest only, fastest only, and fastest plus reverse. Additional bit, you can give 10 bits per vote, and channel points, I don't give you the channel points option. So let's start a pool then. I create a pool, so you can vote with that pool if you want. Put 3 all of them and let's randomness decide. I mean, there's a 2 minutes pool. Let's decide the community. Okay, shortest only. I mean, there are a lot of people like shortest only. Firas, welcome. LS private clash. So waiting for the result of the pool here. There is only 10 people voted so far. So you guys still can vote from the chat. I like shortest because it makes me use of obscure parts of the language so I don't normally use. Or not as often, I should say. Okay, shortest only and all are going to lead. We have set up the pool that people can vote multiple times, 10 bits for each additional vote. It's already set up like that, Tomato, by the way. I mean, for 10 bits, people have an additional vote, of course. Yep, shortest mode, shortest only is the winner. Okay then, let's create a shortest only. Let's start a new one. I just copied the link and pasted it to chat, so you can still join with that link if you want. Icefire, welcome. I think it's possible to allow only one vote, but doesn't matter. My favorite shortest one, yeah, exactly. Okay, we are now 15 people. Okay, 16 people right now. Let's start a clash. You are given an integer and you are supposed to print the smallest possible positive integers whose product of individual digits is equal to the original number. For example, numbers now all digits have whose product is 20. For n, you are supposed to print 45 because it is the smallest number of all possible answers. For example, if there is no solution, for example n is 11, print impossible. Cup 2 of 2T, thanks for follow, welcome to stream. Um, so you don't need to calculate this one. Um, what is the best way to solve this? First of all, if there's a that's smaller than 9 else and return. So should I use a stack or something here to keep the stored digits maybe? Or dividing by all the digits from 9 to 2. That means, for example, if it is larger than 9 as a prime divisor, you should write impossible like 44. Okay, 4 digits is like from 9 is equal than 2 and at n bigger than 1 while e minus minus. So I should delete no, I should divide that the current number and not I is 0. That I should be pushed to that stack. Digit push I and n is quite cool high. Okay, if I find if I reach 1 with that division, if I didn't reach the 1 with that division, that means I should write impossible. If 1, I should write impossible and return here. Okay. So what are there too many big numbers? No. Okay. While digits that counts at 0, so that means there is a still digit with that one. Since it's starting from the biggest one to smallest one, because we started the divide by here by 9 to 2. Okay, let me hear var result is 0. So my result is clearly results my multiple by 10, and then plus digits at peak and digits dot pop. Right, returns the object at top of the stack and then remove it. No, I don't need to peek here, I just need to pop here, returns, and remove it. I don't need peek here, I think. Yeah, after like return, I reverse the result. No, because since the biggest ones are the top of the stack, starts with biggest ones and to the lowest ones. Yeah, I mean, with that, console.write line will be result. Okay, let's play all test cases like that. Oh my goodness. It worked at the first time. Wow. Wow. That's nice. I mean, it's the shortest mode, but I don't even care the shortest mode. Okay, let's try to make it short as possible then. Okay. I mean, I have delayed so many things. One minute left. I can delay it as much as possible then. Yep, I delayed most of them. I have only 1 minute left. Otherwise, yeah, this is the best I can do. I can submit. Whew. When enter 1 should be output 1. No, it should write impossible. That means it doesn't reach any digits divisions. For example, 44, you have to write 2, 2, and 11. Since it is, it has a biggest divisor than 9, so it means impossible to reach the 1. Using DDN eval to avoid gets to I is genius. Yeah, I mean, yeah, this is the trick that Alice always uses, I think. Okay, and Alice is all 69 characters. Find each digit reduce. And oh, it's a brute force approach, I think. Yeah, it looks like he used some brute force approach. Okay, that's nice. CEOs has also, I think, used the brute force approach as well. Also using I input impossible instead of print impossible is genius by Sahir Rocks. I input. Oh, okay. Yeah, that seems nice. Okay, guys. Let's call the night for tonight. Thank you for joining again. I mean, the really nice stream tonight. I'm a little bit tired because it passed 3 hours again. I mean, it's really sometimes getting hard to stream 3 hours or more. Baba, thanks for the follow. Welcome to stream. Let's call my social accounts in chat. You can still join my Twitter and follow me on Twitter and YouTube as well. You know, if there are Turkish videos on YouTube, but you can still join and follow, since there are a lot of lead code questions that I try to solve in YouTube. If you also want to support my stream, you can always subscribe my channel as well. I mean, it doesn't matter if you subscribe in a normal way or Twitch Prime as well. Okay, let's who is online right now. Oh, Eric Toy is online. Maybe we should rate him, since he's one of the best competitive programmers in Codeforce specifically. Even 1 hour will be enough, Sonar. Yeah, I mean, Alice, thank you so much. How long have you been streaming? How many days? I mean, I try to stream every day, honestly, but sometimes I can't. I mean, normally, as an average, I try to stream 4 or 5 days. I mean, in weekends, I probably stream both of the days, but in weekdays, I probably stream 2 or 3 days. Okay, everyone. Thank you for joining us tonight again. I will rate Eric To, send him to our love. Thank you so much again, and have a good night.
Oh, Sonar Connell is raiding with party of 18, thank you. Sonar Connell is a Twitch streamer who often streams CodinGame. And I raided him a few times, but just a fair warning is I'm solving a very, very difficult problem. So I don't think it will be entertaining for beginners, but you can grab a link, you can read the statement, you can think about it. I'm very deep into the solution. Now I'm trying to get this dp to be just a little bit faster. Like I have n to 4th power complexity, I want to get n cubic complexity.